Introduction, Mark. I really appreciate it. This morning, being my first 7-minute presentation, I wanted to give you a quick overview of Cornerstone Mortgage Group, who we are, what we do, a little idea of how we differentiate ourselves from other lenders in the market. 2006, Cornerstone Mortgage Group was formed by two of my close friends, Chad Wade and Stuart Sadler. Chad had a background in subprime lending, and he became a little frustrated with his job being a subprime lender, that he was essentially ripping people off. He couldn't do loans for friends, couldn't do loans for family. When he was in a meeting like this, if he was in this situation, he couldn't really reach out to people and say, hey, I'm a loan officer, I'm a mortgage company, send me business, because that's not what he wanted to do. His other partner, Stuart, had a background in consulting with Accenture, and they both went to the University of Georgia and formed Cornerstone Mortgage Group. Their goal was to create a business where they would be able to service their friends and family and provide them with exceptional mortgages, low rates, low closing costs, and just develop a raving fan customer service. I started with Cornerstone Mortgage Group, as Mark said, in 2007. Interesting fact about the company: when Chad and Stuart started the company, they started in a basement of Chad's house. They were down there for nearly 12 months, and they were saving money so they could get our office space and start the company debt-free. So I came aboard when they got some office space. I wouldn't start in a basement. So I started in 2007, and things were tough. You know, when I started the business, every day lenders were going out of business. We'll get an email saying, hey, we've closed. We can no longer offer these programs. And that was really an interesting time for me. I stuck out my job, and our company's gone from strength to strength. We've grown our business organically through word of mouth and referrals, which is pretty much what we're here talking about at PowerCore. So definitely a great fit with that. We work with 16 different investors to help us provide lower closing costs, better rates than other investors. And because of the number of investors we work with, we're able to offer programs that other lenders sometimes can't do. We have loan programs for every need. We're able to help anyone considering purchasing a home, including first-time home buyers, second home buyers, and investors. In addition, we also assist with refinance transactions to help existing homeowners get a lower interest rate, reduce a mortgage term, or take cash out. We also offer renovation loans to help assist people renovate homes and improve them. And this is something that's becoming more and more common as we're dealing with a shortage in housing inventory and a number of pretty crappy homes on the market right now. So buyers are looking to improve those homes, and that's a great product for them. Some specific loan programs that we do offer are USDA home loans, which is more common for people in rural areas, VA home loans, and home path mortgages, and also jumbo mortgages. We're also able to offer no closing cost mortgages and mortgage above 80% loan to value without PMI, private mortgage insurance. Lastly, we have a product right now which I touched on my 60-second presentation, which allows us to help people refinance with negative equity on the home, up to 125% loan to value for refinances without any equity. Now, what do we do to separate ourselves from other lenders? Firstly, we developed a company concept where we want to deliver raving fan customer service. Now, what is a raving fan? A raving fan is someone that loves your product or service so much they want to tell their friends and family about you. They want to refer them to you. Well, to do that, you've got to be good. You've got to have happy customers. So my goal is to have happy customers and make them raving fans. Sticking to the theme of raving fans, one of our raving fan services that we offer is interest rate float down. So I can actually lock a client into a rate. They no longer have to worry about interest rates going up. Their rate is locked. If interest rates come down, 30 days prior to them closing, we can float that rate down one time, which is awesome. When rates are going up and down with a lot of uncertainty in the market, people love this. I mean, that's the best call I can make. Congratulations, get you an interest rate 0.25% lower than you sold on. Your payment's going to go down $50 a month. Hallelujah! I just created a raving fan. Another rating fan customer service that I can offer is lock and shop. People are homes. They're asking about interest rates. What's going to happen? Right now, interest rates are probably going to go up. So I have a program where I can lock an interest rate while someone is looking for a home. Typically, if someone's to lock an interest rate, they have to have a contract in place to go ahead and lock that rate. With lock and shop, someone can go out, look for a house, lock their rate in, and 30 days prior to closing, they can float that rate down one time if the market's better than the lock they currently have. Lastly, another awesome raising fan service that we offer for real estate agents and or anyone else trying to sell a home is a free website service allowing people to create a website for the home, list it, and have analytics. Lastly, what's a good referral for me? Well, there's lots of people who would be a good referral for me. Anyone with a house, like I touched on in my 60-second presentation, that hasn't refinanced or is interested in refinancing. With home equities going up and projected to go up this year, people are going to start talking about cash out and refinancing. Someone that wants to pull some equity from the home would be a good referral for me. Anyone looking to buy a home, it doesn't have to be an immediate home purchase. People may have questions about credit, income, assets. What do they need to do to prepare themselves for making a home purchase? That would be a great referral for me. And then lastly, anyone that knows a real estate professional who wants to partner with a customer service mortgage company or loan officer like myself would be a great referral for me. Thank you. I'm Mearman from Mearman Mortgage Group. I appreciate your time.